today we're gonna check to see if the watermelon is actually ready to go. And basically, how to actually tell if it's ready, you're looking for the curly Q, which is right here. Alright, and if it actually dries up all the way down, then that means it's ready. But as you can see, there's a little bit of green right here still remaining to go, so it's not yet fully ready. Alright, not fully ready as yet. And so I'm just checking them. Here's another one hidden under here. This one is so huge, and this one is not ready as yet either. As you can see, there's a lot of green on the curly Q right there. Alright, and let's go to the other one. And this one is just coming, so it's definitely not ready. And let's check this one. Okay, so this one is not ready either. And this is the last one. Alright, actually have a little rot going on there for it. But if you can see, guys, look at the curly Q right here. See, it's all dried up. Alright, it's turned extremely brown. So what that actually means is that it's fully ready to be picked. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just snip it right there. Because I have the camera, it's a bit difficult, but I'm getting there. Alright, there you go. Alright, so it's fully picked, and this is what it looks like, you guys. Yes! Alright. Okay, guys, so I just washed it off, the watermelon. So now I'm going to cut into it to see how it looks. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and it's definitely ripe. Yes, definitely ready to eat, you guys, and it's from the garden. So beautiful. Smells good too.